And what did you do?
Well, I made a little like toy theater. Yeah.
You want to show me? Oh, wow. Could you tell me about it a little bit?
Well, this is my little. Right now, I have a character in it, but this is my little background, and I have a whole bunch of little people that I can put inside of it from the top, like this. Here's a person. But also, if I want to change the scene, I could make it into an ocean. So
Oh,
right now it's
cool.
an ocean, and I have different characters for this too. Like here's the whale.
Very cool. Awesome. So what was your favorite part about the workshop?
Um, I liked how I could do art and how they helped me, like, because I'm gonna eventually film a little show, and I liked how they helped me give me some tips for filming it.
Amazing. Would you recommend this workshop to people?
Yeah, yeah. This was my favorite workshop.